Hi, in today's video, I'm going to be shooting this beautiful pendant on a white background. So very simply, let's place this into the GemLightbox using the GemLightbox aerial. Our reflector is going to go on, and I'm going to capture this item with the phone being landscape. So very simply, tap to focus, brighten up until I get this magnificent white background. And once I'm ready, click to capture. Just like that, I've captured this amazing piece on a white background in just 30 seconds. For my next piece, I'm going to be doing a 18 karat white gold jade pendant. So again, we simply just set it up using the GemLightbox pendant and necklace stand. We place it into the GemLightbox. My reflector goes on. And again, I'm going to be capturing this one from a horizontal angle. So again, we tap to focus, brighten up, and simply click to capture. That's it. Thanks for watching. Any questions, feel free to reach out.